In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GitHub with ClickUp using the Google Apps integration. Whether you're new to using these tools or a seasoned pro looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to connect these powerful platforms, allowing you to manage your projects more effectively. First, we're going to head over to ClickUp. You can get there by opening your preferred web browser. After you do that, simply navigate to the ClickUp website. If you're not already logged in, now is the time to do so. Enter your login credentials and step into the dashboard that'll be your go-to place for managing tasks, goals, and more. Once you're logged into ClickUp, look towards the navigation pane. There you'll find the option labeled More. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Apps. This section is where we'll set up all the integration magic. It's the place where ClickUp allows you to extend its functionalities by connecting to other apps and services, like GitHub. Don't worry, everything is laid out simply so you can tackle this with ease. Now, in this Apps section, you'll find a search bar. Type GitHub into it. Once you've done that, the GitHub integration option will appear right before you. Click on Connect to initiate the linking process between GitHub and ClickUp. It's fascinating how today's technology allows these platforms to communicate seamlessly, isn't it? Clicking Connect will redirect you through a setup process. Typically, this will involve giving ClickUp permission to access your GitHub account. It's standard OAuth fare, where you grant access by authorizing ClickUp to access repositories, issues, and other related features on GitHub. Don't be alarmed, it's a secure process and part of maximizing your productivity through these integrations. After authorization, the integration is complete. From this point on, your GitHub activities are synced with ClickUp. This means tasks related to your code repositories can be directly tracked and managed in ClickUp. You might enjoy the newfound efficiency this pairing brings to your workflow, allowing you to focus more keenly on the work that matters most. And there you have it. You've now successfully integrated GitHub with ClickUp via Google Apps. It's really as simple as those few steps. This connection can significantly enrich your project's management capabilities, making it easier for you to keep track of your tasks and collaborate with team members. Keep exploring all the features offered by these platforms to make the most out of your newly integrated environment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.